My name is Simon Dolsten. I'm the founder of Dolsten Co. We're an AI-first creative agency. We work with everyone from persona-driven brands like Travis Kelce and his energy drink to more enterprise brands like CBRE. I draw a lot from my previous roles to my role now as founder of Dolsten Co. I came from a background where storytelling was really important, crafting commercials and films. And with HeyGen, that's still so much part of the picture, looking at the emotions and the dialogue and the interactions, and then using tech to bring it to life. At Dolsten Co, we're using HeyGen to create things we never thought were possible before, like an AI feature film with realistic dialogue and interactions, or an avatar that can educate the entire world about the climate with 20 years of knowledge. For us, HeyGen unlocks these sort of impossible ideas and we can bring them to the world. Some of the challenges before using HeyGen was that you really couldn't generate ideas or proof of concepts quickly. You'd have to bring your client a long script or a 100-page presentation. But now with HeyGen, you can really bring them something that's already functioning, something that already has fidelity and capability, and then creating something impactful with them is a lot easier and faster. HeyGen helps us achieve our key priorities in a few different ways. Before, when I worked in advertising, it could take millions of dollars or 6 months just to make a 30-second ad. Now with HeyGen, we can make that almost instantly. We can prototype it, we can iterate it, we can bring it to a client in a number of days. And the result is we sell more work and clients get work faster, still at a great fidelity. What I love about HeyGen is the ability to create instantly. As a creative, you live to make things, powerful things and beautiful things. And with HeyGen, you can do that right away. And that means you can bring a finished product to a client in a number of days instead of months before, or you can create someone you can talk to educate someone really quickly. So what I love about HeyGen is the ability to make, not just at speed, but also at fidelity. I think what's been surprising about creating digital twins is their functionality. You can build up an incredible knowledge base and they can be educational. You can build up a really good sense of realism and they can be entertaining. You can build up a great background and a great branded visual and they can really serve a corporate purpose. There have been a lot of surprising interactions when we've created HeyGen content and shown it to people. Sometimes something we'll do to clients is show them something real and then something created with HeyGen and they won't even be able to tell the difference. The goal is not to replace human interactions with HeyGen, but I think it's to amplify it. So if you have one great story in one language, you can then bring it to life in 10 or 20 languages. So I think people are really surprised at the realism and the fact that it's not taking over a human's role, but really supplementing it. HeyGen has made it possible to produce things that weren't even imaginable before. Making a 1-hour AI feature film with realistic mouth movements was something we could only dream of. And then with HeyGen, we were able to actually make it and then bring it to market in just a few weeks. HeyGen has also made it possible to create one-on-one interactive, immersive experiences. I think AI is traditionally seen as cold and mechanic, but by having a real face and an interactive avatar actually talking to you, you're able to establish trust with consumers, with the press, and with clients. HeyGen has also made it possible to create really immersive relationships between consumers and avatars. By having a realistic face to that experience, you're able to interact in a new way. HeyGen is both inspiring and iterative because you can make something really great, like a talking avatar or a video, and then you can continue to build on it. On a traditional production, you have your shots and that's it. But with HeyGen, you can create a first version, bring it to testing or bring it to a client, and then keep building on it. So for creative, the ability to keep evolving with HeyGen is really powerful. When I watched my first HeyGen created video, it felt like magic. It felt like you could finally create at the speed you wanted to, and you can iterate and build on that. Being able to create something fast and then bring it to coworkers and clients builds a really great sense of momentum. The magic moment for us was actually yesterday. We saw the HeyGen Sora integration, and we'd never seen anything like that before. In the agency world, it takes months to test something and then months to make something. And to be able to make a brand video and ad right away and that fidelity with HeyGen and the Sora integration is incredible. A magic moment with HeyGen was really just being able to realize you could do things that you couldn't do before. You could bring clients an already finished product in a matter of days instead of a script or a long presentation. You could have one character speak Japanese and then English and then Spanish, and to be able to make things so quickly with HeyGen really changes the game. There have been some really great metrics of the impact that HeyGen has had on our company and our clients. Previously at an agency, it could take 6 months to produce one piece of content. Now you can do it in 6 days. that's 30 times faster in terms of bringing content and ideas to clients that we can sell through and produce and bring to market. If someone's just getting started with HeyGen, I would think equally about the human aspect and the tech aspect, because you need to say something impactful and powerful, and you really need to craft that narrative, and then use HeyGen to accelerate and make it.